so glad we did this.
Oh, honey, this is the best vacation ever.
Look at me. I'm flying.
You sure are, little buddy.
This is the best vacation ever.
They said I was crazy to dream this big. But here we are, sailing towards the sunset on my new yacht. Dream big, my friends. You're going in.
Hey, put me down. I'll get you back for this. Help! Please, someone help me!
Whoopee! This is the best day ever. Roar! Look at the trees. They're going so fast. Are you having a good time back there?
We'll be there soon, little buddy. Don't you worry, we're here to help.
You two are safe with us.
Keep running! Don't stop! I'm scared! Look straight ahead! We made it! It's all right, sweetie. I won't let the fire hurt you. We're safe now.
can't breathe. I can't do this. Hey, look at me. It's gonna be all right. Just take a deep breath. Help me. Help me. Help me.
They say it is impossible, but they underestimate the heart of this community. We will find a way to bring our friend home.
Have a wonderful day, sweetie. I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Dad. I love you too. Bye. Renee, it's so good to see again.
Are we almost there?
I heard we're having pizza for lunch. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Танцуют все.
What a happening to our car! Help! They're taking him! Get out of here! We're gonna crash! Look out! Help!
Don't just look at it, sweetie. Try the burger while it's nice and warm.
Oh my gosh, that can't be right! Are you absolutely sure? We need that shipment now, or we are ruined!
I don't care how you do it, just shut down the perimeter now! Do you hear me? Now!
Dispatch, we have the subject contained at the restaurant entrance. Send backup immediately.
I don't care what the weather looks like, Commander! We need those reinforcements now, or this whole operation is compromised!
It's okay, sweetie. You're safe now.
Daddy.